Once, in a small village in England, lived a poor orphan boy named Dick Whittington. He had no family and very little food. He often sat by the road, listening to travelers talk about a magical place called London. They said the streets there were paved with gold. Gold, Dick thought. If I can just reach London, I will never be hungry again. One day, he packed his few belongings and began the long walk. But when he arrived, he didn't find gold. He found cold, gray stone, muddy alleys, and people too busy to help a hungry boy. Dick collapsed on the doorstep of a wealthy merchant named Mr. Fitzwarren. The merchant was a kind man. He saw the boy's potential and gave him a job in the kitchen. But the cook was mean, and Dick had to sleep in a tiny attic infested with rats and mice. They ran over his face while he slept. To solve this, Dick saved his few pennies and bought a cat from a girl in the market. "This cat is the best mouser in England," she promised. She was right. Within a week, the rats were gone, and the cat became Dick's only true friend. One day, Mr. Fitzwarren called his servants together. He was sending a ship across the ocean to trade goods. "Everyone may send something of their own on the ship," he said. "If it sells, the profit is yours." The servants sent silk and jewelry, but Dick had nothing. "What about your cat, Dick?" the merchant asked kindly. With a heavy heart, Dick handed over his friend. "She is all I have," he whispered. As the ship sailed away, Dick felt more alone than ever. The cook's bullying became so bad that Dick decided to run away from London forever. Dick walked until he reached the edge of the city at Highgate Hill. He sat on a stone to rest. Suddenly, the bells of Bow Church began to ring across the valley. To Dick, the bells seemed to be speaking. "Turn again, Whittington, thrice Lord Mayor of London," they chimed. "Lord Mayor?" Dick gasped. "If that is my fate, I must go back." He returned to the merchant's house just before he was missed. Meanwhile, thousands of miles away, the ship had reached the shores of Barbary. The king of that land was having a problem. His palace was overrun by thousands of mice. During a royal feast, the mice ran across the table, stealing food from the king's plate. The English captain showed the king Dick's cat. In a flash, the cat pounced, catching 10 mice at once. The rest fled in terror. The king was so delighted that he bought the cat for a fortune, more gold and jewels than the ship could carry. When the ship returned to London, Mr. Fitzwarren called for Dick. "Mr. Whittington," the merchant said with a bow, "your cat has made you the richest man in the land." Dick was shocked. He used his wealth to help the poor, build hospitals, and marry the merchant's daughter, Alice. The bells of Bow had been right. Dick Whittington didn't just become rich, he became the Lord Mayor of London not once, not twice, but 3 times. He never forgot his humble beginnings, or the black cat that paved the streets with real gold for him. And so, the boy who once had nothing became a legend that London would remember for centuries to come.